अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा में पाकिस्तान की मुस्तकिल मंदूब मलीहा लोदी का कहना है कि पाकिस्तान अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की अमन कोशिशों की गैर मुतज़लज़ल हिमायत करता है। मलीहा लोदी ने अक़वाम मुत्तहिदा की क़याम अमन की ख़ुसूसी कमेटी से खिताब करते हुए कहा,
The fundamentals of peacekeeping must be preserved even as we adapt to changing realities. Blurring the line between peacekeeping and peace enforcement holds high risk, as it would impact the impartiality and neutrality of blue helmets, making them even more vulnerable to targeted attacks. Also, the Hippo report and the consensus view of practitioners of peacekeeping both stress that UN peacekeeping operations are not the appropriate tool for military counter-terrorism operations.
पाकिस्तान में क़याम अमन के हवाले से बात करते हुए मलीहा लोदी का मज़ीद कहना था,
Mr. Chairman, let me conclude by reiterating our unflinching support to UN peacekeeping, both as one of the largest and consistent contributors, and also as host of a peacekeeping mission, the UN Military Observer Group in India and Pakistan, which is a critical factor for stability in our region and needs to be expanded to respond to existing threats and realities.
पाकिस्तान भर में नुमाइंदगान का वसी नेटवर्क, हर खबर जानने के लिए देखते रहिए TNN TV।